Imagine waking up every morning knowing that money is coming into your account even while you sleep. No boss, no fixed schedule, no waiting for payday, just your phone, your laptop, and a system that works for you 24/7. Sounds impossible? But right now, thousands of people in the USA are quietly making $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000 per month online. And the crazy part? Most of them started with zero experience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how a complete beginner can start making $1,000 per month online in the USA, step by step. No hype, no fake promises, just real strategies that actually work in 2026. Stay with me, because one idea from this video could literally change your financial life. The biggest mistake beginners make when trying to earn money online is thinking they need money, skills, or experience to start. That's completely wrong. What you actually need is a simple system and consistency. Right now, the internet has created something powerful: leverage. In the past, if you wanted to make money, you had to trade time for money. But today, you can create something once and get paid again and again. This is called digital leverage, and this is how people in the USA are making consistent online income. Now, let's break down the simplest beginner-friendly method. Step 1 is choosing a method that doesn't require upfront investment. There are 3 proven beginner paths: freelancing, content creation, and digital products. Freelancing means you offer a service like video editing, writing, or thumbnail design. Content creation means building platforms like YouTube or TikTok and earning through ads and sponsorships. Digital products include things like ebooks, templates, or courses. For beginners, the fastest path to $1,000 is freelancing. Why? Because you don't need an audience. You just need one skill and one client. Let's say you learn a basic skill like video editing. In the USA market, even beginner editors charge $50 to $100 per video. If you do just 20 videos per month, you already hit $1,000. Now you might be thinking, what if I don't have any skills? That's where AI comes in. Today, you can learn almost any skill in 7 to 14 days using free tools. You can use AI to write scripts, generate ideas, even edit videos faster. The key is not perfection. The key is speed. Start small, improve daily, and focus on getting your first client. Because once you make your first $10 online, your mindset completely changes. It becomes real. And from there, scaling to $1,000 becomes a matter of consistency. Now that you understand the method, let's talk about execution. Because ideas don't make money, execution does. The first step is picking one skill. Not 5, not 3, just one. If you try to do everything, you'll end up doing nothing. Choose something simple like video editing, thumbnail design, script writing. These are high-demand skills in the USA market. Next, you need to learn the basics quickly. Don't spend months learning. Spend 3 to 5 days understanding the fundamentals, then start practicing immediately. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be useful. Now comes the most important part: getting clients. Most beginners fail here because they overthink. They think they need a website, a portfolio, or experience. You don't. You just need to reach out. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Instagram. Search for small creators who are posting content regularly. These people need help. Send them a simple message. Hey, I noticed your content. I can help you edit videos or create thumbnails to improve your views. I can even do a free sample. That's it. Keep it simple. Out of 50 messages, maybe 5 will reply. Out of those 5, maybe 1 becomes your client. And that's all you need to start. Once you get your first client, focus on delivering quality work. Over-deliver. Make them happy. Because one satisfied client can bring more clients, and slowly your $0 turns into $100, then $500, then $1,000. Consistency beats talent every single time. Once you start making some money, the next step is scaling. This is where most people get stuck. They keep working the same way and never grow. To reach $1,000 consistently, you need to increase either your price or your volume. Option 1 is raising your price. If you were charging $50, increase it to $80 or $100 as you improve. Better skills equals higher income. Option 2 is increasing volume. Take more clients or more projects, but there's a limit to how much you can do alone. That's where smart people use leverage again. You can outsource your work. For example, if you get a client paying $100 per video, you can hire someone to do it for $50. You keep the profit. Now you're not just working, you're building a system. This is how you move from freelancer to business owner. Another powerful way to scale is content creation. Start documenting your journey. Post on YouTube or TikTok. Share what you're learning, what's working, and your progress. This builds trust and attracts opportunities. Over time, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and your own products. Now your income is not dependent on one source. You have multiple streams, and that's the real goal. Not just $1,000, but financial freedom. Making $1,000 per month online in the USA is not a dream. It's a skill-based process. You don't need luck. You don't need connections. You just need to start. Pick one skill. Take action daily. Stay consistent. And most importantly, don't quit too early. Because the difference between people who succeed and those who fail is simple. One kept going while the other stopped. So the question is, are you going to stay the same, or are you finally going to take control of your income? Start today, because 1 year from now, you'll wish you started now. Success in making money online isn't about luck, talent, or having everything perfect from the start. It's about taking action, staying consistent, and using smart strategies. You don't need to know everything. You don't need a big investment. You don't need years of experience. What you do need is one simple skill, daily effort, patience to keep going. The people who earn $1,000 per month online are not special. They just started earlier, failed, learned, and didn't quit. Simple truth, if you stay consistent and keep improving, earning online becomes inevitable. Your future income depends on what you do today. So start now, stay consistent, and don't stop until you win.